app is named Shapeshift. My name is Anna Fan.
Hi, my name is Alexis Peters.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline Askey.
I'm Ashley Myrick.
Hi, I'm Mary Tusek.
In today's day and age, fitness and health seems to be in a forefront of a lot of people's minds, but many people struggle to maintain or start a fitness journey due to lack of personalized guidance, accessible resources, and motivation. So that is the problem that we address with Shapeshift. People often feel overwhelmed by generic workout plans and inefficient tracking tools that don't cater to them. Without Shapeshift, people often lack a centralized, personalized, and easy-to-use resource to guide their fitness journey in a sustainable way.
Their only options are to do their own research on various workout plans, something many don't have the luxury to dedicate time, money, and energy to. Their other options are to use other apps or websites, sometimes multiple for fitness and progress tracking that could not even work for them and sometimes come with exorbitant fees. The goal of Shapeshift is to empower and assist our users at any stage of their fitness journey by providing a personalized all-in-one fitness platform that makes it easier for people to stay consistent, motivated, and informed through customized workout plans, progress tracking tools, and much more.
As for the technologies we use to create Shapeshift, for our front end, we use React, which can be seen in examples of our usage by like displaying the dashboard, the activity tracker, etc. We also use React because it sends requests to the backend via API calls. For our backend, we use Node.js, which handles our business logic, communicates with the database. Node.js receives data from the React frontend and responds back to React and queries and updates out of our database. And our database is MySQL, which stores all of our persistent data like tables containing our users, workouts, progress logs, etc. And the IDE we used was Visual Studio Code to write all of our React frontend and our Node.js backend. The hosting service we used was Render, which deployed from our Git repo. In conclusion, our users interact with our React frontend, which is hosted on Render. The React frontend sends requests to the Node.js backend. Then it is processed the request and talks to the MySQL database and returns the results to React. React then displays the content based off the response. And for technology we used that didn't end up working out how we wanted was we at first used the hosting service for sale, but we decided against it just because it came with a bunch of fees that we were not prepared for. And the next part of our demonstration will be the video demonstration showing our two user personas.
All right, so we are going to start off a video demo with a regular user. Her name is Sophia Smith. She is 30 years old. She's a stay-at-home mom, and the reasoning for her joining our web app is to lose some baby weight, to gain strength, and to improve her mental well-being. Jumping straight into our website, Sophia is going to browse a little bit. There will be a demo video, which will be this one. She sees why to join our app on the front page, along with some screenshots to what it looks like. There's also the team that built it and the code that they have. So she can just sign up with her name, which is Sophia Smith, her email, a password, and her birthday. So this is her dashboard. All right, and she sees that there's a browse, which were all the courses available that have been made by trainers and stuff. And let's say she wants to filter between beginner and she wants to do Pilates. And there's one course that pops up, so she can subscribe to that one. This is how you know that you are subscribed with the check boxes. Let's say she wants to go back and she still wants a beginner course, but let's do some more like strength training. We see that this pops up. Also, subscribe to this one as well. If she goes to the My Plans, these are the 2 courses that she just subscribed to. She can click on the strength training. Let's say she started off with day 1. She did the 20-minute workout, so we can go back to dashboard, add the activity that we did today based on course, which was the strength training. She did 20 minutes of it, and she burned 145 calories. If we save that, it pops up here. If we click on the view past logs, it also pops up here. Let's say that she did another day, because you don't have to follow by day. She can go back to her profile. She can edit it. She did 40 minutes now, and she burned 250 calories. We can save that here. We can also notice on the profile that the height and weight are not set because we didn't add that in. So we can go here. Let's say she's a 5'4" woman that weighs 187 pounds. So we can save those changes. We see that that popped up here now. And let's say that she wants to do Pilates. We can do this. 15 minutes. Go back to this. Add our activity of the day as gentle Pilates for 15 minutes. And 120 calories. You can save that. All right. Let's say she also did another activity that's not on our courses. That was 30 minutes for, let's say, 190 calories. We can save that. And let's pretend that she doesn't want the other one to be recorded. We can go here and we can delete it. Here you go. And if she needs to, if she's done, or she doesn't want to have this account anymore, she can delete this account. And that is it for our regular user.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline and I will be doing the trainer user persona. So our user is Ryan Carter and he's already an existing user. He's 25 years old and he's a part-time personal trainer. And his reason for using our website is to build muscle, improve athletic performance, create new workout routines, and expand his clientele because he's a personal trainer. So I will be showing you how Ryan interacts with our website. Okay, so this is our website and I will be logging in as Carter. So as you can see, my computer already saves his login. So I will be signing in and here is Ryan's dashboard. So as you can see, he has been a user for a while. He has completed multiple workouts and is working on a 3rd workout and he just really enjoys the site. So he is thinking about becoming a trainer. So he's going to click this become a trainer button and become a trainer. And so now, as you can see, this tab pops up and he can now create programs. He can view his content, which is empty right now because of course he just became a trainer just now. And you can view his analytics, which is also empty. Okay, so now Ryan is ready to create his very first workout program. So he clicks create program. And he decides that he's going to do a beginner toning workout that can be done at home. And he is going to name his program Body Toning for Beginners. And he is going to write in a description. There's the description. And he chooses 1 week, which is, it's already preset to 1 week, so perfect. So now he will fill in his materials for each day of the workout. So every single workout week is 5 days, so he's only going to do 5 days for his workout. Okay, so as you can see, Ryan filled out his days. So on the first 2 days, they're shorter and they require less equipment and lighter weights. And this is just to ease the user into the workout. The next 2 days are a little bit harder at 30 minutes and they have resistance bands. You can see if I just move it a little bit more that way, they use resistance bands. But the last day is the hardest day and that the next 3 days, along with the hardest day, they use 20 to 50 pound weights and resistance bands, and this one is 40 minutes. And the tutorials will be via YouTube. So once the program is created, the user will be able to click on the word YouTube link, and it will take them directly to the YouTube link. So they don't have to do any copy and pasting. It can just take them directly there. And then once they complete the YouTube link and the tutorial for that day, they can check it off. So Ryan is just going to create his workout. And so here it is. This is the thumbnail that the website uses. So because it's a beginner level toning, that's the thumbnail. And see, this is a hyperlink, so I'm not going to click it right now, but as you click it, it will take you to another tab, and that will be the YouTube link. And this, if you were not the creator of the program, this would say be a subscribe button. But because he created it, this is just an edit workout link. And as you can tell, oh my goodness, right here, Ryan messed up and he put mat as in the name mat instead of like an actual yoga mat or something like that. So he's gonna go down here and edit his workout. So change it to only 1T. Even if the user has spelling errors or something, he can still, or they can still edit it. So we're gonna update the program. And now it's mat as in yoga mat. So now that the workout is edited and completed, it can also be shown in the analytics page, and this shows the subscribers per workout. So although the dashboard shows your total subscribers, this shows the analytics per workout. So like if you have multiple workouts, one user can be subscribed to multiple of your workouts. So if you can have like one workout with 4 subscribers and one workout with 3 users, but only have 5 of different subscribers. So that's how we do our analytics page. Okay, and now we have just a little time skip, maybe a couple months, and Ryan is doing quite well. He has 8 subscribers. And so if we go to my programs, he has made more programs, and we can go to analytics, and look, he has different amounts of subscribers for each workout program. So about 2 of them are the same user, subscribe multiple times, and that's why he has 8 subscribers. And that marks the end of our presentation. We wanted to thank you so much for listening. Thank you for exploring Shapeshift with us, and we hope you enjoyed our demonstration videos and overall our website. Thank you so much again.